Hello everybody, it is me, Rayanch, who is 9 years old and who will share his first coding project, the Soup Van. Vroom, 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 vroom. So you might be wondering, why have I made this project? Well, did you know that many people around the world are starving because they don't have money to buy nice food supplies? So sometimes the soup van comes around and delivers soup to them for free. This is a very kind thing. So this is what this app is about. So you might be wondering, how do you actually play this app? What do you do with it? Well, this app, you have to actually use arrow keys and then go to the empty soup bowls on the screen. And when it is touching the van, you want to switch its costume to soup. So here are the costumes. You have no soup, which is a costume of no soup. And then you have a costume which is soup, which is a costume of no soup. So no soup is the main one, and then soup is a costume. So we also have not much costumes, well, not any costumes, but what can you see different? That looks like an unusual van, right? I actually customized it. Like it? Like a highlighter color. Right? And so then here's the code. If the up arrow is pressed, you must go up. If the right arrow is pressed, turn that way. Turn 4 degrees. If the left arrow is pressed, turn 4 degrees the other way. And then when down arrow key is pressed, move negative 10 steps. If you do positive, it'll go forward. If you do negative, it'll go back. So then when the down arrow is clicked, move negative 10 steps. So, how about we try our code now? Ooh, what did I do there? Can anyone see? Yes, I changed costume no soup to soup. So then there's an error and I already filled it up. Now let's try. That's better. Oh. As you can see, I'm using my arrow keys. Oh wait, you can't see that. Let's play that nicely this time. Ooh, there's one. There's two. There's three. Get that. There's four. Oh yes, I finally did it. There were no soup bowls on the screen that time. I had collected all the soup bowls. So that is pretty much the first thing. But there's more. I had done 2 extensions. One of the extensions was reverse, which I can show you right now. Not commonly used, but you can do it if you want. See? Reversing, beep, beep. And another extension is, well, you'll have to find out. Guess what? It's automatic. I'm not going to touch the arrow keys and it will just go by itself. So you might be wondering, is the no soup bowl the same? Well, yes, the first bit is. No soup bowl is the same. Yes. But I've also made it like a food drone. When I want to, I can make it a drone going and dropping soup into the empty bowls. And there's also another sprite here which doesn't have a costume, but it is very light. And this is for the coding to actually make it automatic. The closest soup bowl actually goes on top of each soup bowl every time. So then that will actually help the soup van locate its position by assigning this variable to the X position, assigning the variable closest to ball X to the X position, and closest ball Y to the Y position, and then the closest ball to the closest distance of the food van. Right? Then you want to also show it, because if it's hiding, how will you see it, and how will you get the no soup balls? How? So let's first go change that quadricopter to the van, and here is the no soup thing. So as you can see, the no soup has the same costumes but has different code. As go to random position. See, these two codes are actually different. Do you see any other code under it? No. So then repeat until touching the food van. It is also helping find the location of the clones and the real one, because there's only one real no soup ball and the others are just a bunch of clones. See, when I start as a clone, go to random position, switch costume to no soup, because if it's full, how will you deliver soup? So then you also want to go, if the current closest ball is bigger than the distance to food van, you want like the food van to come to that position. So by locating the X and Y position, and then you want to switch the costume to soup, wait 2 seconds, delete this clone. Let's test it out. But, do you see my problem? Yes, I need to change it to no soup before we do anything. So, see, look, it's just going there. But, what did I do wrong? Yes, you got it. Now it looks better, right? But different sprites may have different effects on the code. Alright, so that is technically the automatic food van. But what about the automatic food drone, right? The automatic food drone kind of looks unusual with this rotation style, which is all around. So then you want to make it to left and right, or don't rotate, because then that obviously looks better, right? Who agrees with me? Yes. So, thank you everyone. I had a lot of fun actually doing this project. And thank you for Daniel for giving me some advice on how to make the soup balls appear. And I'll see you guys for my next project.